In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys what I picked up for my little ones for Easter and hopefully giving you guys some ideas for those last minute baskets. Let's go! Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody's doing great. If you're new here, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button down there, the little red button, so you can join my family. But if you're a returning loyal subby, welcome back, love. I'm so happy to have you here, and hopefully you enjoy this video. And in this video, I'm super excited because this is a video in collaboration with one of my good YouTube mommy friends. We have decided to collaborate together to give you guys some ideas and inspiration for your last minute baskets, because you know sometimes us mamas leave it to the end. So we're here to help you guys. We're here to help you mamas, okay? So make sure you head to her channel. Her name is Loren 1. YouTube mommy has also like a lifestyle channel, great ideas, inspiration, cleaning, fitness, you name it. I'll show a picture up here of her channel, and I'll definitely link it down below so you guys can head over, show her some love, tell her I sent you, tell her you come from my channel. Hopefully you go and check her out, and tell her I sent you over, okay? So just follow the link down below and it'll head to her channel. So let's get to it. I am super excited about Easter this year because this year is actually Jaylen's first Easter. So this was my first year getting a little basket for her. I had so much fun doing it. I went by this list to kind of have to stuff their baskets. It's just useful for them instead of having like toys that'll like break and you throw. So stuff doesn't have to be like super fancy or anything. And here is Jayvens Basket. As you can see, I picked up this basket. I picked it up from Home Goods. So I'm thinking about using it either for decoration or storage. I'm working on the room, so we'll see what happens with this basket, and I'll show it in a later video. All right, so for his basket, I went by a list, picked up outdoor play. So you want to pick something up for them to have like outdoor play. And for me, it was kind of like I said, it doesn't have to be fancy. So I picked him up some bubbles, and you can pick these up at Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on your Dollar Tree for stuffings, for anything. There's always some like really good stuff at the Dollar Tree. So outdoor play was his bubbles. For everyday play, I did Rose Art Rainbow Scratch Drawing, and I picked it up at Walmart. So what I'll be using for this is when I'm like cooking breakfast and stuff, I'll get him to like, you know, draw or play or whatever while I'm making breakfast. He's entertained. Something you can pick up for your kids to stuff in their Easter baskets is for them to have fun with is a book. So the experience is reading. So I did go and pick up Jayven this book from Jalen and Martique. It's How Do Dinosaurs Play with Their Friends. He loves dinosaurs in general, so I know he would really love it. And we want to collect all the collection of these books because we love reading. So he would really love it. And like I said, you can either pick up a book of an author they love, or Easter theme, or just the theme you're going with your basket. So another thing you guys can pick up for their baskets is a little toy that helps them with experience or learning again. And I picked up Jayven this little toy from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, don't sleep on your Dollar Tree. There's really good stuff out there. So he's been loving like ants and animals in general. So I picked him up this little bug catching kit. Let's see if you can guys get it. I think it was really cute, so he can kind of like, you know, catch them and put them in here, or you know, just kind of like a learning, talking about the insects, or just, you know, just in general for him to have fun and experience outside when we're walking or taking our walks. I thought it was real cute for him to carry and like put little bugs or ants in there. So that gives them that, you know, outdoor experience. So that's that. Another thing is like wear. So something they need or can use coming up for the summer or something like that. So what I did, I picked up their swimming suits, and actually I'll give Johanner the credit because he actually picked them up. So here's Jayven's swimming suit. And we picked it up at Target, and it's just the Batman and his little pants, swimming trunks. And we got these at Target. I thought it was real cute for the summertime when we go swimming or go to the river or whatever. So you can guys either get, you know, swimming suits, sandals, rain boots, whatever you guys think they might need at that moment. I think it'd be cute, and they can use. So it's not something they're gonna throw away. And the last thing is like a little toy under $5. So what I picked them up was this little Easter color little wooden yo-yo. I love wooden toys for them because I feel they're like sturdier and like last longer. So I picked them up this little wooden yo-yo. Let's see if you can see it. It has Easter colors. It's really cute. And I picked it up at the Target dollar bins, right? And of course some candy. So simple little basket for Jayven. So now let's do baby Jaylen's basket. Here's her basket. I also picked it up at Home Goods. Thought it was really cute little woman basket that I'm gonna use either, like I said, for decorations or storage. But this basket I was kind of, you know, excited to pick up because it's her first Easter, so I'm excited about that. Hers is a little different because she's barely 9 months old, so it's really different than Jayven's. All right, for her everyday play, I did pick up this really adorable little doll. Guys, I'm so happy I can pick up like girly things now. Like little, I love boys, don't get me wrong, I love them 100%. I love my boys, but I was so happy when I found out I was having a girl because girls have such cute things. So I picked up this little doll that has black hair. Kind of reminds me of her because she has black hair. Look guys, this little ballerina doll. I gotta show it to you guys. Look guys, look at the little ballerina with her little black hair and her little beautiful, look at that little shirt, like furry shirt, little, look guys, and her little dress. I thought it was adorable. I picked it up for baby Jaylen. It's her everyday pet play little doll for her to sleep and have, and probably decoration in her room. I picked this one up at TJ Maxx. The outdoor play is kind of like her brother's Bubbles because she loves Bubbles. She loves seeing them, so that's their outdoor play. So we'll put them in the same category. Learning category, I would say it's probably this. Her little teether, just sensory, you know, just a little teether for her. It's either learning, experience, whatever you want to put it under the category, but it's just a little cute teether for her to have because she is teething really bad and wants to bite everything. They're like little puppies when they're teething. So I bought her that little teether. It's so cute. I picked this one up at TJ Maxx too. I guess this could fall under the learning too, learning how to drink from a cup. So I got her little Munchkin Miracle Cups. I know they recommend them, so this is the one Jayven used to use, so this could fall under the learning. For baby Jaylen, the category for reading, I did pick her up a little book, and it is a little more of Easter based, and it's this one. It's Guess How Much I Love You. It's so cute. So I'll be adding it to their book collection too, and it is the bunnies. I love. This is a good book. I had it for Jayven, but I don't know what I did to it. So I picked this one up for her, and I got this one at Target. I'll link it down below. Something that they can wear category. I went ahead and got her some headband. What is a mom without a little girl in their headbands? And especially her, she has so much hair. So I think it'll look so cute on her. Swimming suits. Oh my goodness. I gotta put this basket down. I got her first swimming suit. It's adorable. I picked it up at Target for those mamas out there. It's this little swimming suit. I personally think it's so cute. Look at this border detail. I think it's adorable. Front and back. So cute. I can't wait for the summer to put it on. Because Dad said she has to wear one-piece swimming suits. Jealous Dad. Anyway, so I really like the swimming suit because it has the little, like, you know, the onesies where they snap and unsnap. I love how they unsnap and snap because it's like easy accessible for when they're doing the, so you can like change their diaper faster. So I thought it was really cute. And it's at Target. Target always has cute little like swimming suits and stuff like that. So that's her wear. And of course, just a little snack for her. Instead of candy, we picked her up some snacks. She loves these little teething snack wafers. It's cute for babies that are teething and have like sensitive gums. It's kind of gentle. This is like dissolves right then and there. That's all I picked up for the little ones. I hope you guys got inspired and got some ideas for your little baskets, or if you want to add some stuff. I think I'll probably maybe be adding a little more. But as for right now, that's what I've picked up so far. Hope it helped you guys for those last minute basket runs, because I know sometimes I leave it towards the end. One of those moms sometimes. But thank you, Loren, for getting me on point to try to get these things before Easter. So I wouldn't be running. Thank you, and show some love to Loren. Tell her I sent you over again. I'll link her stuff. I'll link her channel below. I'll link everything down below. Some things obviously you can't because they're from, you know, Dollar Tree or Target dollar bins. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for all my subbies, everybody that is supporting. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.